Hi, I'm Tom Wilson. I'm the founder of Wilson Law Office, and today we're going to be exploring an area that I don't think enough attorneys spend time talking to people about, and that is slip and fall or trip and fall cases. And there's a lot of people that are injured severely because of dangerous premises that they might be walking on, whether it's snow or ice or a chunk of sidewalk that's sticking up. And I want to make sure that people understand that there is help for them, and we're here at Wilson Law Office to help you. And so if you have a claim of that nature, please call the number below, schedule an appointment, we'll get you in and we'll help you through this process. Because as you'll find out, there's not a lot of attorneys out there that are willing to handle these cases because they're difficult. But we are here to help you through this process. Now, as we talk about what we can do for you in the slip and fall case, there's some things I want to go over because, as I mentioned, it is a little bit harder case, and there's some things that you need to do or have done for you right away when the incident occurs to help your case. And I want to go through what those steps are so that if you're confronted with a situation, you know what to do right away, because some of these things, 10 minutes, an hour, or a couple days after the fall, this evidence is gone and it makes the case a little bit more difficult. It's not impossible to deal with it, but it becomes more difficult. So what are these things that you might want to try and do? The first thing that I would tell you is if you've slipped and fallen somewhere or tripped on something, and if at all possible, take a picture of where you tripped and fell and what it was that caused you to fall. The first thing everybody wants to see, whether it's an attorney representing an injured party or even in person an attorney representing the store where it happened or wherever the incident occurred, the first thing everybody wants to see is what caused the fall to happen, and can we see it? If you can, or a couple pictures of the scene, that's very helpful. And even waiting 10 minutes might be too long because they might clean up the ice on the sidewalk. They might clean up the water on the ground or the condition. So you want to get those, if you can, right away. In addition, one of the things that happens a lot is when somebody falls down, a good Samaritan comes up to them and helps them up. And I can't tell you how many times, almost every case I've had, where a good person in the store comes up and lends a hand to help the person up. And then they fade into the distance and we never hear from them again. And it's not that they don't want to help. They obviously showed they're a good person, but they don't have anything more to do with it. If you can get their name and phone number, that is so helpful to what we can do. The next thing is that you want to report this incident to the store, and if you report it and they take an incident report, you want to leave with a copy of the incident report. So make sure you get a copy if you can, or if you're injured to the point where you need immediate medical care, call an ambulance, which will record the fact that the fall has occurred. And then, as I mentioned, if you need it, get treatment right away. And treatment's always a medical question that you need to talk to your doctor about, and with your doctor make a plan, but get the appropriate, necessary medical treatment for your injuries. These are some steps that, if you can take them right away after a fall occurs, will help enhance the value of your case and enhance the ability to obtain a recovery in your case. And so if you are in one of these situations, hopefully you'll have this information that you can gather to help yourself. If you haven't, or if you have any questions about this information, please call us, because most cases I've had don't have all of these things, and we've been able to help people through it. I think I probably can help you as well. So call the number on the bottom of the screen, schedule an appointment about your particular situation, and see what we can do to help. Thank you for watching. I'm Tom Wilson, founder of Wilson Law Office.